yes, this is going to be the same door that we. This is rough. And this is for the toilet floor. So much paint. I initially thought that design of the tiles 60 by 60. It's quite long and large. Wood that we are gonna be using. This is 1 by 4 by 8. We also have one. Whew, how many $200 did I mention already, guys? That's so much. I cannot believe. Hey everyone, meljeansolon here, and welcome back to my channel. We are back here in the simple province house that is currently not finished. Today I'm going to give you guys a quick update about the stuff that actually I got. I think this is going to be the last stocks that I need to get in order for the house to be finished. Now I got some tiles, I got some paints, and I also got some wood for the door. At the same time, I got something for the window. Now, with regards to the tiles, I got like 60 by 60 tiles. I'm going to show it to you guys later on. And then I also got something for the toilet and for the toilet wall, and at the same time, something else for the countertop for the kitchen. And I also got some jalousie or some blinds for the window. We are not going to be using a sliding window for the window because it is quite pricey. But instead, we're going to use blinds. It's like different blades. I got 22 blades for each window, so that's like a total of 110 blades. And yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a run through about how much each of those cost. Currently, we just arrived. Most of the stuff that I got is from Cebu Home Builders. Last time I also got something from there. And I tried to look for different store hardware for the tiles, but unfortunately it's only Cebu Home Builders that's got a lot of stocks. So I went to Cebu Bionic, and yeah, they don't have stocks. So I decided to go to Cebu Home Builders, and because I do have this card that they have, so I think I get like 10% discount and some 2% for like the wood and stuff. Now I also got something for the door. I have 3 doors to make. Actually, we're not going to be getting or buying doors, but instead we're going to assemble it. The builder is going to assemble it. So I got 3 really thick plywood, which is really thick. It's very heavy as well. Right now we are currently trying to get everything out. It is very it's a lot actually, and it's quite heavy. Diri lang ay. It is quite heavy, so I have here all the kids. Hello. Yeah, so look at it, guys. This is the very first wood that we got. Look. Yeah, that's gonna be for the one door. Kuya Tom is in the boarding house. So we got 3 of those, guys. It's actually it's quite pricey. It's 1,395 pesos. Now they're trying to remove all of the tiles. The tiles is 60 by 60. It is actually it's very big, and that's the design of the tiles. 60 by 60. It's quite long and large, and we still have a lot. I actually got 100 for the 60 by 60, and then 30 for the toilet, 116 for the toilet wall, and then all of these like pail that you guys are seeing, these are for the paint. That's so much paint, guys. It also like includes like the concrete, I don't know what you call it, but that's so much paint. I initially thought that it is not so expensive, but it is very expensive. Ta-da. There you go. And this is for the window. There you go. So right now we have here all of the tiles that I actually got for the house. Now we are going to start with this. This is the 60 by 60 tile. This is going to be for the main house, living room, kitchen, as well as for the room. This one is actually 119 pesos. This is on sale, so I got a really good discount. Now 119 pesos for each. I got 100 pieces of this, so that's around 11,900 pesos. And then moving on, this tile over here, actually this one is really nice. This is the one that I really like. This is rough. And this is for the toilet floor. I really wanted it to be like this so that whenever we go to the toilet, we're not gonna go and slide. So it is quite rough actually, and I love the design with it as well. Now this is 30 by 30 and the cost of this is I think 32 pesos for each. It is quite cheap because they are on sale when I went to Cebu Home Builders. And then next we have here this. This is like a pinkish kind of tone, and this is also 30 by 30, and this only is about 32, I think. Yeah, 32 pesos as well. I got like 116 pieces for this. Now for this in the toilet, I got 30 pieces. Next is we have here this white one. This is for the kitchen counter, and I got about 30 pieces of this as well. Now this one is I think the cheapest of everything because it is only plain. This is 26 pesos per piece for this. And yeah, that's pretty much it of the tiles that I got. And it's actually quite pricey. I'm gonna share with you guys the cost for the painting as well after this. So right now we are in my mom's store. We have to store everything here for it to be safe. The builder is not going to be working not until this weekend, so that's why we have to store everything here for now so that it will be safe and no cracking or broke or something like that. Anyway, now we are going to move on to all of these like pails that you guys can see. Now we have here a lot, actually 1 2 3 4 5 pails. And then we have 5 big pails, and then we have 4 smaller pails. Like, can you give it to me? This 1, 2, and then we got 2 over there. Now I'm gonna tell you guys that the color for the house is actually not going to be colored. I decided to just have it white. The inside and the outside is going to be totally white. The reason for that is because I was trying to look there the colored ones. I wanted it to be the friendly yellow. But the friendly yellow is so expensive. It's like double the price of the color of the white one. So I just decided to make it white, everything. Actually, there's still one more pail in there. One. So we have about 8 pails of the paint. This actually, I'm not quite sure how many pails for the primer and how many pails for the inside paint and the outside paint. But yeah, that's the total pieces for all of the paints that we got. Actually, I was thinking that the paint will be not so expensive, but it is actually so expensive, guys. Oh my god, I spent about $200 for just the paint, and then the tiles is more than $300. So imagine how much money I have to get just to get everything. But actually, this is going to be the last stuff that I needed to get in order for the house to be finished. But yeah, it's gonna be totally all white, and I'm gonna show you guys something as well. We got for the window, again, we're not gonna be using sliding door because I cannot afford it myself. It is quite pricey, so I just wanted to use a blinds, so it's like black blind. So I think it goes nicely because the paint of the outside is going to be white and then the window will be black, so I think it looks okay. So yeah, I got something for the blinds as well. I'm gonna show it to you guys later on because it's actually there. It's in the box. So for the blinds, I also spent around 10,000 pesos, so that's again $200. Whew, how many $200 did I mention already, guys? That's so much. I cannot believe. I initially thought that I'm so done with like purchasing so much, but it's not. But I decided to really have it tiled so it would look nicer. And then yeah, once this will all be complete, then we should be finished. And then after that, we should do the house blessing, and I'm quite excited for it. I'm quite excited to move here in this house. And by the way, I also got the sink for the kitchen, and I got the rollers for the paint. I got the frame for the window as well. And what else did I get? I actually had to add some wood that will be used for the door. Now, if you guys can see this door over here, this is my mom's door, and yes, this is going to be the same door that we are going to assemble. Now, my mom's builder just assembled this, so it will be looking like this. It's quite thick, honestly, because I tried to look for doors in Cebu Home Builders and it costs around 2,500 peso or 4,000 peso, and it is very thin, you know. But this is like, it's very, very hard, like 3/4 size of plywood, and it is very thick. And also I got something for the doorknob as well. Now, the doorknob that we will be using is the same as this as well. This is good, so that this is actually very like sturdy and it's good. So I decided to get 3 of these because we have 3 doors in the house. So we have the front, the back, and we also have for the room. For the toilet, I already got doorknob for that. It should be there somewhere. It is quite messy now here in my mom's store, but that's okay. As long as the towels will be safe, because it is very costly. And again, oh my gosh, guys, it is not easy to actually build your own house like alone, especially when you're alone, like just putting all your money into it. Like, oh, I'm almost like zeroed out just to be able to finish this house. But again, I am so grateful for all the people who have sent their donations to help build the house. I truly appreciate you guys. Thank you so much again, and thank you for supporting and watching my videos. Through watching my videos, that's one way of actually helping me to be able to get some revenue from YouTube, you know, for the house as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If we're gonna look at here, these are all the stuff that we got for all of the tiles, all of the blinds, and yeah, everything. So these, basically all of the stuff that I got today is going to be for the paint, for the door, for the windows, and for the tiles, kitchen, toilet, and especially for the main living room and for the room as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I am really tired right now, but I'm just happy that I am able to actually spend something to be able to finish the house. So this is the last batch of the cost that I needed to get, and again, thank you so much for all your support. I'm gonna show you guys what are the little stuff that I got from Cebu Home Builders. Actually, everything here that you guys can see except for the window, it's from Cebu Home Builders, and I'm happy because I actually got the card that they have, and I think I got like 10% or 2% discount from them as well, so that's really helpful. Every discount counts. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys this is the steel hinge. We call it bisagra in Bisaya, but this is called steel hinge. This is gonna attach the door from the wall. So we got about, I think we got how many? 10 of these. So that's how it's looking. Each of these costs 150 pesos, so about $3. It is quite heavy and sturdy, so that's good. And then I also got here the doorknob. So this is a doorknob that I told you guys. This is called deadbolt. I like the deadbolt actually compared to the regular doorknob that has the handle. This one, I prefer this because this is very good, and each of these is cost 500 peso. It is quite pricey, honestly, but because they have a discount, I think this would only cost about what, 450. So yeah, this doorknob is the same as the doorknob that my mom has, and I think this is better, you know, to avoid some theft or whatnot. But I'm not saying that there are some people here, but we don't know, you know what I mean? And then I think I got 3 of these, one for the front door, for the back door, and one for the room, the main room. And then what else did I get? And then I also got here, guys, I got here some of these. What do you call this? Liha. This is called waterproof paper, Saint Gobain silicone carbide. Okay, I think that's what it's called, but it's like a waterproof paper. I think it's silicone carbide. I'm not quite sure, but this is what you're going to use to actually smoothen the door. So yeah, we got like 10 pieces of these. We're gonna be using it to smoothen the door, so I got that. And then next one is I also got here some wood glue. So yeah, this is 91 pesos. So that's like 1 liter of wood glue. Again, we will be using this for the assembly of the door. And then last but not the least, I think you guys can see it. We have here this. This is actually for the sink. This is for the kitchen. Now, I mean, it is quite, this is what, 990 pesos, about 20 US dollars. So yeah, it is quite sturdy. I also got this from Cebu Home Builders. I was trying to look in carbon, which is like the cheapest like place where you guys can get this. It ranges from about 500 to like 1,000 pesos. So I decided to just get it from Cebu Home Builders because it's pretty much, you know, the same price, and I think it looks sturdy enough to be used. And then the next one that I got here, guys, these are for the painting. So yeah, we need some of these stuff for the painting actually. By the way, I got this here, the doorknob for the toilet. This is 235 pesos. It's quite cheap, so that's okay. And I don't think you really need a really good one for the toilet. You're just gonna like go number 2 and number 1. So okay, and then next, guys, we have here some paint roller. Actually, like, I don't know, some of the stuff I do not know what's the name, you know, but this, we got 2 of these paint rollers. This is 110 peso for each, so that's like 2 US dollars. And then we also have here some paint brushes like these. This is like 50 pesos, so that's like 1 US dollars. And yeah, we also have here the, what do you call this? The thing, it looks like a dustpan. But this is where you will put the paint. The mixing. Yeah, so we got this as well. I don't know what you call this. It looks like a dustpan for us, but this is where you pour the paint in, and that's where you roll the paint and then put it in the, before you put it in the wall. Do you know what I mean? It is 44 pesos, so that's okay. It's called paint roller tray. There you go. All right. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I also got here, let's go on this side. Here, the S4S wood that we are gonna be using. This is 1x4x8. We also have 1x1x8, I think. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, we needed to get this in order to use for the assembly of the door, and we're also going to be using this for the frame of the door as well. So yeah, we got all that. Actually, I decided to rent a truck for these to be brought here because it is quite pricey for Cebu Home Builders to deliver it here. It costs around 1,800 pesos, and it's gonna take some time for them to deliver it. I've learned from my experience that it's better to actually rent your own truck in order to bring all your stuff. The truck that I paid for this is 1,300 pesos, but I gave them an extra payment because he was helping to discharge everything from the truck. So I paid 1,500 pesos, so at least I was able to help people here, the locals, because that truck is coming from here. I was able to help them, and I also was able to get a good discount because I got 300 peso discount, and that really helps a lot already. And anyway, guys, that's gonna be the end of the vlog. Those are all of the stuff that I got. It's so much, and yes, I'm totally bankrupt right now. Honestly, but that's okay. Money, you can get it again. But I'm just so happy that I am able to build my own simple province house here in the countryside. It has been my wish to be able to have my own house, and yeah, I am grateful to you guys as well for helping me all through this time, for watching my videos, and for sharing my videos as well. Commenting and interacting with us really helps. Again, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And anyway, I'm going to end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I look so exhausted, but that's all right. As always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.